Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your Google Sheets editable by everyone. Let's get started. Open your Google Sheets app on your phone, then choose the file that you want to make it editable. And I'm going to choose this file and click on this three dots button on the file. And there will be several options for you, and you have to choose manage access right here. And you have to make sure that you change the general access right here and choose this option. You have to choose editor to make your Google Sheet file become editable by everyone. And let's choose editor. Alright, wait for a moment, and now the permission has been updated, and now anyone on the internet with this link can edit this file. Alright guys, that's how we can make Google Sheets editable by everyone. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching. Bye!